In this video, I'll present a new DePIN project, in its infancy, Neutronex. What Neutronex is, what it tries to accomplish, benefits and some future projections. It can be run on a Windows, Linux or Mac machine, or even using Docker containers, but I'll leave that for future videos. So, what is Neutronex? Well, firstly, let's talk about the Einstein at Home project, a volunteer project that uses your computer's idle time to search for weak astrophysical signals from spinning neutron stars using data from the LIGO gravitational wave detectors, the Meerkat radio telescope, the Fermi gamma-ray satellite, as well as archival data from the Arecibo radio telescope. All that sounds great, but what does Neutronex have to do with this project? Well, if you retained any information from what's been previously stated, Einstein at Home is a volunteer project. Neutronex steps in to reward participants, or volunteers, with crypto, for their services, using the token NTRX, built on the Solana blockchain, currently using the DevNet, as the project is too new and we are testing the development, implications, participation, adoption and more. What do we need to participate in this project? Well, I'm sure you've already figured it out that this is a computational project, we need gear that computes. But, how is Neutronex different than other computational projects? Well, it tries to reward any kind of hardware, even the low-end one, like Raspberry Pis. The criteria isn't yet determined, but the project tries to balance the amount of rewards between participants, making it fair in order for that low-end gear to be able to participate as well. In short, gear with handicap will be rewarded more per task than high-end gear. There is more. Even if we have no computational gear, we can still participate in the project with validators. What are validators? Well, they validate that the data is correct and help decentralizing the network, similar to a peer-to-peer synchronization. Validators must be honest to be rewarded. The rewards for a validator task is pretty low, but they virtually consume almost no power to run them. All this being said, what gear do we need to participate in Neutronex? Almost any central processor unit, in addition to that almost any graphical processor unit, so any personal computers, gaming rigs, mining rigs, laptops, mini PCs, Raspberry Pis or Rock Pis, machines supporting Docker containers, even Crank or Helium gateways, and for the validation part, any machine stated previously that supports Docker containers and ESP32S3 developer boards. Did I miss any? Let me know in the comments. I want to remind you once again that the project is new and the token is not listed yet, but for early testers there will be an airdrop later on. I recommend participating with low power consuming gear if it looks too speculative to you. If you find this video informative enough, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe and notification buttons. I'll release more content regarding Neutronex about how to set it out on your machines. You don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
We cracking codes while y'all crack jokes.